Hello, welcome back to DT Discovery channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos.
Today we take you on 2-day 1-night trip to the charming coastal town of Kuala Sepetang, a hidden gem in Malaysia known for its rich history, vibrant fishing village and stunning natural beauty. On our way to Kuala Sepetang, we made a stop at the serene Taiping Lake Gardens. The Taiping Lake Gardens, established in 1880, is the oldest public garden in Malaysia. The highlight is undoubtedly the famous Rain Tree Walk, a 650-meter path that skirts the Taiping Lake Gardens. This iconic stretch, lined with majestic Samania saman trees, has become a symbol of Taiping's charm and natural beauty.
What makes this walk special are the 120-year-old rain trees, which have survived time and become a photographer's paradise, with this particular tree gaining fame as Taiping's iconic image.
The local government has made commendable efforts to preserve these historic trees, installing supports for falling branches to prevent decay. For those who prefer a more active experience, bicycle rentals are available at the roundabout where the path begins. At a reasonable price of 15 ringgit for half an hour, visitors can enjoy a leisurely ride through this picturesque setting. After the refreshing stroll along the Rain Tree Walk, the next destination is Tasik Duyung, also located within the Taiping Lake Gardens. Tasik Duyung, or Dragon Lake, is one of the many man-made lakes in the gardens, each with its unique charm. The lake is named after its dragon-like shape, and its calm waters reflect the surrounding greenery, creating a picturesque scene. After the rejuvenating stopover in Taiping, the journey continues to Kuala Sepetang. Kuala Sepetang is famous for its charcoal kilns. My Charcoal Factory, which has been operational since the late 1930s and remains a family-run business. This factory still practices traditional charcoal making, using mangrove wood from the Matang Mangrove Forest Reserve. The wood is smoked in brick kilns for a month to produce high-quality charcoal, with byproducts like tannin-rich liquid used in mosquito repellents and soaps. While awaiting the eagle-watching hour, we immerse ourselves in the quaint charm of Kuala Sepetang. The streets, adorned with historic shophouses, invite us to savor local delicacies at the cozy eateries lining our path. The iconic Port Weld sign, a relic from the days when the town was a significant railway terminus. A unique feature of Kuala Sepetang is the bridge specially constructed for motorcycles and pedestrians, connecting the town to a nearby island. This bridge offers picturesque views of the stilt houses and waterways, making it a popular spot for photography and leisure walks. From there, we strolled to the jetty, eagerly awaiting our boat for the eagle-watching excursion. The boat operators attract these majestic birds by blaring a horn and offering chicken skin, bringing the eagles close to the boats for an unforgettable wildlife experience. On the way back to the jetty, we stopped by a fish farm, where we learned the proper way to eat a horseshoe crab, touched a pufferfish, and fed the tilapia. Continuing our journey back to the jetty, we passed by one of the oldest fishing villages in Malaysia. After a delicious seafood dinner, we're all set to embark on an enchanting boat ride to witness the magical glow of fireflies. The boat operator uses a special light to attract the fireflies, creating a magical experience for everyone. To keep this natural wonder undisturbed, we were asked to refrain from using any lights, including the flash on our phone or camera. As we ride the boat back to the jetty, the night scene of the fishing village unfolds before us. As we ride back to our Airbnb, the night scene of the town comes alive, with lanterns glowing brightly, casting a warm and inviting light over the quiet streets. The next morning, before heading to Teluk Intan, we stopped by the lively morning market, where the hustle and bustle of vendors selling fresh vegetables, fruits and fishmongers showcasing their fresh seafood filled the air.
Our next stop is the iconic Teluk Intan Leaning Clock Tower, a must-visit landmark rich in history and charm. The Leaning Tower of Teluk Intan, often called Malaysia's version of the Leaning Tower of Pisa,
stands at 25 meters tall and was completed in 1886. Originally built as a water reservoir, it began to lean just 4 years later due to soft soil and the weight of the water tank. This charming clock tower, influenced by Chinese architecture, appears to have 8 stories from the outside, but it actually consists of only 3 stories. The clock tower still chimes every 15 minutes, making it a popular tourist attraction in Teluk, Intan today. If you enjoyed this travel adventure, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel content. Have you visited any of these spots, or do you have other hidden gems we should check out on our next trip? Let us know in the comments below.